long story short, if you're going to make a game with a lot of rooms, you're like this. Spoiler, too late for that. Um, I'm gonna have a lot of rooms here. I'm probably gonna have a lot of editing and stuff like that. And of course, I would want to make, if you're making this your own game like this, you want to do the easy part. So this is what I'm doing. So basically, if, for example, let's say I change this map and I added collisions on the top part or something like that, then I'm not going to bother saving that. Then look, I'll refresh the page and show you. I'm making this basically like a level editor, or at least for wall collisions. So this is gonna count as a collision box. So I'll just select the new area I want. Maybe I want the ship to be a collision. If I don't make it a separate object, like if the ship is always in the background, like it currently is, then I'll just save it like that. I'll have all of the wall collisions in one variable. So I will just do JSON stringify all wall. This is all of the collisions in the entire game for now, in all of these rooms and all this stuff that I have here. And just copy and paste it to the all wall variable. Delete the little quotes you get. Save it. Now when I refresh the page, it will have, as you can see, my new collisions that I edited. So if I could be checking everything, pre-testing the game or whatever like that, and oh, I forgot to put this here. I'll just do that. Probably do one here. Do whatever I feel like, and then when I'm done, do this again. Copy paste it. Save it. And I'll refresh the page and all those edits that I did will be there. And I know that because currently it's duplicating the walls so they're darker, and so I know that those were some edits I made. I don't know where else I made edits. I probably didn't make any more, but that's pretty much it. I would just recommend making everything customizable, and then go from there. If you want to see the codes I'm using for my mouse down, mouse move, mouse up, I have a wall function which is taken from here. If you want, we'll just look at that. You can see how it works. But anyways. I add a new wall to the wall collisions on this room, and so that basically gives me the visual effect with how I had this game programmed. And then I just have a reference of that wall I added right here. Actually, yeah, mouse down. This is activated first, and of course I'm dividing by 20, rounding it, and then multiplying by 20. That's how I get the block effect. So that way, they're perfectly aligned, because, it's going to be blocks, whatever. But anyways, and then on mouse move, if there's a reference, then the reference width equals the mouse X that I'm currently have, minus the reference X coordinates. And this, for the height too. That basically gives me the size of, the size of the block. And then when I have mouse up, all wall equals either itself or new array. I have that here, so that, if I go to a new room I never went to before, there's no whatever. It just makes it an array by default. And then after that, I just push to this room a copy of the reference, and I just use stringify and parse. And that's pretty much how I get the effect. Now, I didn't save any of these new ones, so of course when I refresh the page, it's not going to save it. But that's pretty much it. That's how I'm gonna make this new game, and it's gonna be really easy. All right, like this video if you like it too.